Hi, it's Thelisha with Where Baking and Crafting Meet. And it's that time of year for me again. Anything involving water seems to be what I gravitate toward. Around this time last year, I participated in the Makers Creative Collab and made the beach journal with the stick spine. Striking sticks was the theme, I believe. So, you know how this goes. This collaboration is hosted by Patricia and Mariah of PM Artist Studio. They are a loving and wonderful pair of mixed media artists that always have something good going on with a group of wonderful artists. Their group is called Makers of Mixed Media, Art and Artists. This time around, the theme is See Me, You See. The first thing I thought was to make a jelly cake. There are a lot of videos on the tube about jelly cakes or cakes decorated using gelatin, so I didn't make a process video. I also didn't think this was going to come out the way I wanted it to, and it didn't. It turned out better than my original idea. This was supposed to be a sandy beach with grassy stuff on the rocks, an octopus, some seashells, and a starfish. I crushed and dyed cake for nothing. I also made little fondant pieces for nothing. Well, maybe not completely for nothing. The kids will eat it. I like this murky and mucky sea cave look more. To make the edible part, I used shortbread cookie dough, vanilla cake, chocolate, candy melt, buttercream, gelatin, food coloring, and sugar. For my tools, I used a springform pen, wax paper, parchment paper, and paintbrushes. The process was a lot of stop and go. Bake, let cool, coat, let dry, sculpt, let set, coat, let set, pour, let set. After each step, I coated twice with chocolate before adding something else. After all coats, I added more color. Browns, greens, black, and blues. I'm not sure if the pictures did any justice with looking through the water, but the colors made a world of difference for the sea cave floor, all the way down to the shoreline. And yes, I saved a little bit for the camera. I had to unwrap it here. I felt that if it was going to fall as soon as I unwrapped it or 2 minutes later, at least you were able to see what it looked like before the fall. I'm so happy with how this turned out that I don't want to cut it. The kids are ready to eat it. Well, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out everyone else. There will be a card at the end and everyone's links will be in the description. I'll try to remember to pin them in the comments as well. Until next time.